Hi, this is Renee from Zesty, and I am helping out entrepreneurs with topics relating to social media, marketing, and e-learning. And I spend a lot of time behind my computer researching stuff and learning about stuff. So I am starting to record short videos. I want to make them no more than 5 minutes, where I share things with any entrepreneur who would like to learn along with me. So for quite a while, I've been looking at CRM systems. If you're not sure what a CRM is, it's a customer relationship management system. Wikipedia's got a good definition here if you want to go check it out, but it essentially brings together data about your customers or potential customers. I've used some good ones in the past when I was working for other organizations, and I loved how things would just pop up and remind me who to call and when to call them. But working for myself now, I'm actually going into my 10th year of business, I've realized. I haven't really been big enough to justify using paid CRMs. And the ones that I've looked into that are free haven't really quite met my needs. So I've kind of let it slide a little bit. I've been using things like Google Sheets and just Excel sheets, which has met my purpose. But in 2017, I'm planning on growing and I really want to find a system that works. So I'm giving it another go and sharing with you what I learn along the way. So Wikipedia also has quite a handy list of CRM systems. They've got a lot of information there. But like I said, a lot of them are aimed at bigger businesses and the pricing is just not quite what I'm after. So this blog post I wrote in 2015, I started listing out a few, and I was using Nimble, and I wrote a blog post on Nimble here, also on my blog that you can go and check out. But the free version that I was using at the time just wasn't quite working for me. You can read through why here. I got grandfathered in on a free version, meaning that I'm still allowed to use the free version because I was an early adopter of the service, but they don't offer a free version anymore. So the pricing that they start at, Nimble, I think is about 25 here. So Nimble and pricing. It's about 25 US dollars per month, and you can do a 14-day trial. So I would still recommend going and checking that one out if that pricing is okay for you. The other thing that I did is just went and Googled CRM for entrepreneurs, and I came across a list here of different ones to try. And the thing that got my attention is HubSpot. I'd heard of HubSpot and they do some great free ebooks that I've looked at over the years, but I've never really checked them out. So I started here looking at this, but I always go and look at pricing first because it can be an awesome product, but if it's beyond what I want to pay, it's not much, it's not worth my time checking it out. I looked at this here, which is the actual marketing software, and those prices just blew me away as a very small business, thinking, no, that's beyond what I need. However, I took a little bit more time and I looked here. That's their marketing software. They also have CRM, which is free, marketing, which is paid, and sales, which has a free and a pro option. So what I've decided is that I am going to check out their free CRM because you can invite as many users as you like if you have a team. It's not a time-based trial, and this was the deal breaker on Nimble for me, that I could only have, I think it was 3,000 contacts at the time, and my contacts are spread out over Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. I have a big amount of contacts everywhere. So I'm going to try it out, and I thought that I'll share my experiences with you later. The other one I have tried is Zoho CRM, so you might like to have a look at that. I used that again probably a good 5 years ago now since I've used it. So let's have a quick look at the pricing here. So they start at 12 US dollars a month, which is okay. But I found it a little complicated back then, and I was quite a new user and it was a little buggy at the time. So that might be another one worth checking out. But overall, there's a stack of different ones. If you're already using a CRM, I'd love you to share and how you're finding that. I am going to sign up literally right now for HubSpot and start using it over the next couple of months. I've hit the 5 minute mark, so that's the end of an introduction to CRM, and let me know how you go with yours.